All right, let's do number 12, or number 15. And it says to compute the candidate's percentage of total popular vote. So to get the percentage of popular vote, we're going to take and for Rutherby Hayes, we're going to take number of votes he got, which was 4,034,142 divided by the total votes, which was 8,418,659. Yeah, got it right there, I think. Enter, and I would multiply that by 100, which is going to make it 47.9%. 47.9%. And now let's go up here and change the first, the other one, which got 4,286,808, and got 50.9% of the votes, moving it over, multiplying by 100 to get it in percentage. So, did either candidate receive a majority? And Tilden got the majority, Sam Tilden. But I don't remember hearing about him as a president in the past. And that's because he got less of the electoral vote. Let's figure out that one. So the total electoral, that's 9 if you add the 5 and the 4. 16, carry the 1, 369. So 185 divided by 369, got 50.1% of the electoral vote. And so the other one must have gotten 49.9%. Since these two are the 100%, it's got to be the other one. So I'll just go up here and do it though. Change the 185 to 184, and it should be 49.86, 49.9%. Okay. Was the electoral winner the winner of the popular vote? Nope. That was in 1876, where Tilden was the popular candidate, but the winner was Rutherford B. Hayes. Okay, let's go to another problem. Come apart here. There we go. We're supposed to do it here. So we're going to do the same thing. 50,456,002 divided by 105,405, 100, and that's Bush got 47.9, rounding. That's quite a bit less than the majority. And let's see what the other one got, Al Gore. So go up, not that far, and go back, change the number to 50,999,897. You got 48.3%. Now, if you add these two, you don't get 100%. And that was because there was another candidate that took some of the vote, tended to be a more Democratic than Bush, Ross Perot, I believe it was, and took some of the votes away from Al Gore. And so he ended up not winning. And there was a dispute for a long time over Florida, and that went to the Supreme Court. But anyway, let's look at so neither got a majority on this case. And this is 7, 13, carry the 1, 537, which is 35 plus 50 senators is 485. Oh, there's 100 senators. 535. I don't know how they got the 2 extra. Should have been 535, and they got 537. I don't know where the 2 extras votes came from in 2000. Maybe that's interesting. So anyway, I'm not sure, but anyway, 271 divided by 537 got 50.4% of the electoral vote, and 266 divided by 537 is 49.5% of the electoral vote, giving George W. Bush the win. Okay. 4-way candidate preference schedule, and we're supposed to find out who's the winner by plurality, single runoff, sequential runoff, point system, pairwise. So I'm going to write this down here, make a preference table so it's a little easier to look at. So we got D, C, A, B got 39 votes. B, C, D, A got 32 votes. 27 votes for C, D, A, B. 21 votes for A, C, B, D, and 12 for D, A, B, C. Okay, so who wins plurality? Well, D has 41, 51. B has 32, C has 27, A has 21, so D with 51 votes. Single runoff. D has 51, so they'll be in, and the next highest is B. So it's going to be D versus B in single runoff, and D gets 39. B gets those 32. D gets the 27 because it's above B, and B is above the D, so B gets the 21, and D is above B and gets the 12, and that makes it D the single runoff winner. So far the single runoff and the plurality are the same winner. Sequential runoff. So the first one to drop out would be the lowest, which would be A. Had only 21. So if we take out A, forget A, so then we've got to look at B, C, and D, see who's got the most votes. So the 39 would go through to D. We're going to forget A, so B would get the 32. We're going to forget A, so the 27 goes to C. We're going to forget A, so the 21 would go to C. And we're going to forget A, so the 12 goes to D. And so now who's left? Well, the lowest is B, so B would be gone. It's going to be between C and D. So D still gets the 39. B still gets the, not B, C gets the 32. And C gets the 27. C gets the 21. And D gets the 12. And so between C and D, after the C is thrown, A is thrown out, and then B is thrown out. It looks like C is the sequential winner. Point system. Oh boy, this takes a lot more work here. So A gets 39 times 2, 1, 2, plus 32 times 1, plus 27 times 2, plus 21 times 4, plus 12 times 3. B gets 39 plus 32 times 4 plus 27 times 1 plus 21 times 2 plus 12 times 2. C gets 39 times 3 plus 32 times 3 plus 27 times 4 plus 21 times 3 plus 12 times 1. And D gets 39 times 4 plus 32 times 2 plus 27 times 3 plus 21 times 1 plus 12 times 4. $39 times 2 is 78 plus 32 plus 54 plus 84 plus 36, 284 for A, 39 plus 128 plus 27 plus 42 plus 24, 260. 39 times 3 is 117. Doing some of this in my head, so I may make a mistake. Plus 96 plus 128, 108 plus 63 plus 12, 396. 4 times 39 plus 64 plus 81 plus 21 plus 48. 370, so it looks like C wins with 396. That's mine. I hope I didn't mess up. And pairwise. All right, so pairwise, we did a runoff. We already know that D beat B, so I'm going to go with that, start with that one. D beat B. How about D versus A? And D would get 39, 32, and the 27. So there's no way A is going to catch up. So D beats A. How about D versus C. D gets the 39. C gets the 32. D gets the 27. C gets the 21. And D gets the 12. So D is going to win there. So D is the pairwise. Beats A, B, and C. Okay, hopefully you followed that. Preference schedule. Consider the following preference schedules. And here's the preference schedule I asked you to look at. 38. And how many votes were cast? So that would be 9 plus 7, 16, 22, 26. 16 plus 10 is 26, 29 votes. Find the plurality winner. D had 13, B 9, C 3. I don't think there was any. I think that's where this table ended. So looks like A never won anything. So the plurality winner is D. Got 13 votes. Find the winner of runoff between the top two candidates. D had 13, B had 9. So in a runoff, it'd be B and D. B gets the 9. D gets the 7. D gets the 6. B gets the 4. D gets the 3. So that's 16. And that's 13. D is the runoff winner. Sequential runoff. So who's got the lowest number of votes? E. So if I throw out E, then let's see who wins. Who's got the lowest? So B gets 9. C gets, no, B gets the 7. No, D gets the 7. The one we threw out was E. So D gets the 6. And C gets the 4. And A gets the 3. No, A's thrown out already. A goes out first because A had none. Then we throw out E. And so D would get the 3. So that means C is out, and it becomes between B and D, and we already did that. B wins. So the sequential runoff is D wins. D wins. Point system. That takes a while. I'd have to do 5 times 9 plus 4 times 7 plus 4 times 6 plus 3 times 4 plus 3 times 2 for B's, and I go through and do them all. So I don't know, and I'm not going to take the time. I think you can do those. Find the winner, if any, by the method of pairwise comparison. Looks like D is a pretty strong candidate, so I'll start doing D. And we know D beats B. D is winner from between D and B. Let's do D and A. A gets the 9. D and A, D gets the 7. D gets the 6. A gets the 4. And A gets the 3. So that is 13, and so A beats D. So D is not necessarily a sequential runoff. Let's check A. How about A against B? B gets 9. B gets the 7. B gets 6. A gets the 4. And A gets the 3. So B wins. So D beats B, A beats D, and A loses to B, but D beats B. So it looks like we're not going to get a, I think we got a Condorcet paradox. So I don't think there's going to be a pairwise winner. I'd have to check on C versus these and so on, but my feeling is that there's not going to be one. I'd have to do more of those comparisons. Based on the results, is there a clear winner? Not really. It looks like D, but point system might say somebody else. It's not a Condorcet winner. And if not, which candidate should be selected winner and why? Well, maybe D because it seems to be winning more of them, but that's an iffy situation. I hope I did enough there for you to understand what's going on. If a candidate wins all head-to-head two-way races over the other candidate, that candidate is called a pairwise winner. Considering the following schedule for a 4-candidate election, is there a pairwise winner? All right, so I'm going to take a look at that. We're looking for a pairwise winner. Looks like A is pretty high compared to the other ones. So I'm going to guess that A might be the pairwise winner. So I'm going to look at A versus B. B gets 60 and A gets 50. So B beats A. So B is a winner. But I think B is going to lose a lot of the other ones. Let's see how this works out. Let's check B against C. B gets 60 and C gets 50. So B is a winner. How about B versus D? Well, B gets the 60 again, and D gets the 50. So B is the pairwise winner. It beats A and the other one. So, and if you also look at this, there's 30, 60, 90, 110 votes. And 60 is more than half, so B is a majority winner. And it turns out to be the Condorcet winner, the pairwise winner. Okay.